What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel Bullets Garage, coming at you from Bullets Garage. Ironic, isn't it? Today I want to make a quick video, kind of summarize the stages the car has gone through since I first purchased it. Basically how long I've had it up to this point. So let's get right into the video. It's going to be short and sweet, nothing crazy. No installs today, no mods, no nothing like that. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, watch all the videos. I got plenty of install videos and how-tos that I've done to the car, so you can check those out if you have a RCF, GSF. It's all the same kind of platform, same basic principle. So let's get right into it. I bought the GSF August 7th, 2017, bone stock from the dealership, completely not taken care of. The car was never sold, so it's not like it had a previous owner. It was the GM and the head of the dealership drove the car. I bought the car with about 8,000 miles on it. You know, it was pretty filthy. The wheels were just dirty. They didn't take care of it. They didn't wash it properly. So when I got it, did a proper wash, decontamination, clay bar, all that good stuff. Anyway, first couple mods that I got within a few days of the car was the projector down on the door that projects the L Lexus on the door, on the ground, sorry. I got that installed. Then for the mirrors, I did the LED courtesy light instead of the halogen. That was the first couple things. Then about a week later, I did the tints. I went with Solar FX, 40% on the windows, 70% on the windshield. Then August 26th, so 2 weeks later, I got the RR Racing oil catch can, installed that bad boy on the GSF. September 3rd, I went and got these custom guards, carbon fiber made. September 9th, we went ahead and got the chrome trim delete and the roof wrap black. Love those two things that I've done because it made the cars look so much better and stand out. Then September 15th, wheel spacers front and back, 15 all around is what I did originally. Then this year I changed the front to 20 mils to get a little more flush with the fender in the front. And then the last thing for 2017 was in October 8th, I went ahead to Corwell Customs and I got a custom muffler delete, which sounds amazing and I love it, absolutely love how it sounds. December 2nd, put the car up in storage. Didn't drive it, didn't take it out. While it was in storage, all I did was wrap the front Lexus emblem. I put like a layer of tint on it, so the L chrome is not so noticeable, and I also tinted these rear reflectors. March 17th, I took the car out of storage. Shortly after that, I took it to the dealership for the fuel pump recall. A week after that, I installed the K&N intake, the AFE air filter, and the breather valve that came with the kit. Then I used heat wrap to heat wrap the exhaust, the muffler delete part that was real close to the diff. I didn't want it unnecessarily heating up the rear differential more than it should be. March 27th, I ordered the coils, CKS coils, and the camber arms. And then I expelled the front lip to protect it because that lip is hella expensive, about $2,400, give or take a few hundred. It is expensive, so I wrapped it in expel, so when I go on the highway, if the rock chip hits it, it'll hit the expel instead of that paint. And basically, I installed the coils, got it aligned, got the drop perfectly dialed into how I like it. The rear is not too low. I have a finger gap in the rear. The front is a little lower, so I have that, reverse rake stance, ass up, face down. And basically, I've been driving the car and I'm absolutely loving it. The coilovers made the biggest difference. They are absolutely phenomenal how they improved the ride on this car. The ride before was crashy, harsh, over bumps. Now it is compliant, smooth, it has rebound. It's just amazing. So what are the next things we're gonna do to the car? I don't know, guys. I need you to comment below and let me know what we should do to the car next. Keeping in mind, I'm on a budget. This is a budget build. Granted, I got a GSF, it's an expensive car. I've saved up years and years and years to be able to put a down payment and afford the payments on this. I am financing this car, it's not paid off, so by no means do I have a bunch of money just to throw at it. So if you could subscribe, please subscribe. It helps out the channel. It helps me grow and eventually get monetized, which will help out the channel to do more things like get some wheels, hopefully a supercharger from RR Racing. If you guys want to donate 10 grand to me, I will do the install myself and document everything for RR Racing supercharger. Hit me up if you want to donate. But other than that, I'm going to basically leave the car as is, drive it, enjoy it, I'm going to make multiple point of view driving videos, nighttime, daytime for you guys. I'm going up to Wisconsin in about a week. So I should get some video footage of you guys. The problem is my GoPro took a shit. The microphone adapter wasn't working, so the sound quality sucks. So I shipped out my GoPro about a week ago back to GoPro so they could do whatever they gotta do and send me out a new one. So I'm still waiting for a new one. I'm currently recording this on an old Nikon DSLR that's like 10 years old. So I don't know how the video's gonna come out, how the sound's gonna come out, but we'll see. But we'll get some more clips in Wisconsin for you guys, and comment below what kind of videos you want to see, what do you want to see more of, and I'll be happy to make those videos. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. I'm telling you guys, it really makes a difference. I'm trying to get to 1,000 mark. We're currently around 475-ish subscribers. We gotta get to 1,000 so we can get monetized, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for following the channel. Thank you for following the GSF. Any questions, comments, leave them below, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Peace.